I'm gonna start opening the box. I haven't seen what's inside, but this is how the box looks like if you haven't seen it before. And inside, you're gonna see this little card. And the theme for this month is boxy and chill. And they usually include whatever is in the box, what kind of products, from where, and how much they cost. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, there's usually 5 products in the box. And for this box, they included another Briogeo Roscaro Milk Preparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I don't think I'm going to be using this today because I washed my hair last night and I'm not about to go wash my hair and wait for it to be damp. Another one is, ooh, okay, this is the Tarte. Oh, the light is just not the business. This is the Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. Okay. We're gonna take a look at that later. And then I have, what is this? Ooh, it's a brow pencil. It's a $1 billion brow pencil. That's what it's called. And it's in the shade, what shade is this? It doesn't even say, but let me see. Oh, it's pretty dark, I think. Well, we're gonna try it today and hopefully it's dark enough for my brows because my brows are really, really, really fucking dark. And the next one is an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And this is in the shade Miami Fever. Oh my god, is this like similar to Kathleen Lights? Or is this what it is? I don't even know, but I love the color. It's like, it's burnt orange. And lastly, they included two actually. What the fuck? I got 2. 2 packs of the Tarte Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. So, okay, I know what I'm gonna do first. Obviously, we're gonna put on the mask and see what's up. Pretty much, so this face mask should instantly restore skin's health and radiance. So we're gonna open her up and we're gonna apply her. I don't know how long we have to leave it in for. 15 minutes. Okay. We're gonna open. Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh my god. It's like this white stuff. Okay, whatever. Oh. Oh my god. It just squirted white stuff. Okay, that's not. Okay. I already washed my face. It's dry, it's clean. Oh, oh no. Bruh. What the fuck? This better work. I was just looking at the website. It's got pretty good reviews, so hopefully it works. Supposedly it has Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae. Ooh, I've never had that on my face before, fuck. But, okay, we're gonna apply her. Okay, like this thing doesn't even cover my forehead because I have such a big forehead. Oh my god, it feels good. It is hella wet. It's like more wet than the other face mask that I use. Okay, so it's currently 2:10. We're gonna remove her at 2:25. We're gonna say 2:30. So it's gonna feel like 1 second for you guys. Alright, so I will be right back. Peace. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes and I just removed the face mask, and part of the instructions were to pat the remaining serum on your face, so I just did that and I'm gonna let it sink in. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna use the $1 billion brow pencil. Hopefully it's dark enough for my brows. If not, then I'm just gonna have to, I don't know, I guess go over it with my usual stuff. So I normally don't do my brows like while I'm doing a makeup video because, oh, It's actually not that bad. Yeah, so I don't normally do my brows on the camera anymore because I already uploaded a brow tutorial, which I feel like I need to update, to be honest. But I'm just gonna speed through this so you guys have to like watch me. Oh my god, it's so loose.
Kiss the good life, good, kiss the good life. Kiss the good life, good, kiss the good life.
Okay, so my brows are done. If they're crooked, they're not the same, it's whatever, because your brows aren't supposed to be twins, they're supposed to be sisters or whatever. But okay, thoughts on the brow pencil. The application was very smooth. I can tell you that. The product or the formula itself is very smooth. I didn't have to, I guess I can say that it's not patchy. If you do your brows like every day, you know what I'm talking about. The spoolie is perfect for me. If you have a new spoolie, it usually works best. I have been using this spoolie from, I think this was from ColourPop. It's a very old brow pencil, but I just really like the spoolie because it's very skinny and it still works pretty good. But I like this one because it's new. The only thing is that it's a self-sharpening brow pencil, but as I was applying it, it kept rolling back in. So that wasn't the business. That was like the only thing I didn't like about it. So now we're gonna move forward to the Tarte Rainforest as a C eyeshadow palette. The packaging is so gorgeous. And we're gonna look into, oh my god, look at it. Look at that. And inside, does it have a mirror? Oh, it has a mirror. Perfect. But these are the shades. Very neutral, which I usually go for my everyday look anyway. Okay, what the fuck? Eyeshadow palette, and I think it's a highlighting palette as well. So I only have one non-shimmery shadow, so what the fuck. All right, well, wish me luck. This is kind of like the same issue I had with the products that I received from Influencer. Most of the shadows were shimmery, so it was really hard to work with, and I usually don't work with shimmery shadows unless I'm doing a cut crease or anything, but we'll see what I come up with. But first, before we get started, I need to put on my eyeshadow base. I'm gonna try to use as many of these eyeshadows as I can. But they're mostly shimmery shadows, so I don't know. I don't even know what I have in mind. So the only non-shimmery shadow on this palette is called Tiki, and it's this one right here. So that's gonna be, I guess, it's not even dark enough for a transition shade, but we're gonna try it anyway. God, I haven't washed my brushes in so long. I don't know, this could work. We're just gonna grab a blending brush and use that. See how this goes. Oh no, that is so light. That is so light. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work out. I'm just gonna grab one of the shimmery shades from here that's dark enough to be a transition shade. Okay, I think this is showing up. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can definitely see it on my end. I'm just gonna pack it on so you can see it more later. Oh, and I forgot to mention, the shadow that I'm using is called Jewel. Ooh, I guess we're gonna be using all shimmery shadows on our eyes today. What the heck? So we're gonna go on our outer part of our outer corner of our eye, and we're gonna be using the shade called Malibu, and it's the darkest shade from the palette, and again it is shimmery, so I'm kind of nervous about this. I don't know how it's gonna go. Oh, it's actually blending really nice. Oh, do you guys see that? Does it look like a mess? Because I don't know, I can't tell. It's just so shimmery. But I'm gonna go back with Jewel and kind of blend everything together. But you know what's funny though? Everything usually comes together when I'm applying my foundation. Okay, now for our inner corner, I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's just so many lighter shades. Okay, let's try to use Escape and see if it'll show. Oh, I feel like it's so light. Oh, it's not that bad. It's just gonna be like a mixture of shimmery shadows and it's gonna be a whole ass mess, but whatever. The purpose of this video is to review the products anyway. My freaking foot fell asleep. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other eye and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I did this part of my eye off camera and I also did my foundation and everything else, and I even applied my false lashes. And okay, so for the eyeshadow palette, yes, most of them are shimmery eyeshadows, and at first I was like kind of iffy about it, but honestly, for a shimmery eyeshadow, and if you saw, I didn't use a concealer at all to kind of make the color more prominent, but I was expecting it to be like not pigmented at all. I was expecting it to be patchy, I guess, but honestly, it's not. The formula is so smooth. It's also kind of creamy, and of course, part of it is using a good brush. But bottom line, you can use this eyeshadow palette as a highlight as well. So I used Treasure and Escape together on my brow bone, and it looks gorgeous. I blended everything out perfectly fine. I love the outcome of it. I never tried an all shimmery shadow look before, but I guess this could be it. And then I just did the same thing on my bottom lashes. The last part, or I guess second to last part, is applying the liquid lipstick by Ofra, and it's in Miami Heat. Oh god, I normally don't wear lipstick, but I know before I told myself that I was gonna try using bold lipsticks, but I never really came through, which is so sad. But let's try this one. And I don't even use lip liners, so I hope this applies. Oh, ooh. I don't know if I look good with orange lipstick. And I was never really good at applying lipsticks because my lip, it's not symmetric, I guess. It never was. So I always had trouble kind of making them the same. Oh god, I don't know how I feel about this lipstick with this look. But again, the purpose of this video is to review. So I really don't know, you guys. I don't know how I feel about this lipstick. But wow, is this matte? It's not. It doesn't say that it's matte. Or let me look at the Ofra. Oh, it is matte. Oh god. So this lipstick is a matte liquid lipstick, and it delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and okay. Okay, I honestly don't know how I feel about this with my eyeshadow, but we're gonna finish off by setting everything. I didn't even do my hair, but this is the final look. Okay, thoughts on the lipstick. It feels comfortable. I definitely like the shade. Not with this makeup look though, or with this eyeshadow look. What do you guys think? I am open to anything. I never really wear bright lipsticks or bold lipsticks, so it's weird for me to look at myself like this. But okay, thoughts on it. It is matte. It's comfortable. There are matte lipsticks I have worn before that are just so matte, like I think Kylie's lipsticks or liquid lipsticks. I know, like I have, I think 2. But I just don't like the formula and I don't like the smell of it. But this one smells like vanilla and it's not too strong, so that's good. But yeah, that is all for this video. It was really simple. I didn't want to do anything too like extra or anything, but this is the look that I made with this box. I'm looking forward to the next one. I'm not really sure how much longer I can like subscribe with Boxycharm because I keep getting eyeshadow palettes, and I literally have so many. I know it's not a bad thing, but I just don't have space for it anymore. But yeah, and as for this product right here by Briojo, I don't know when I'm gonna try it. I usually just I don't put anything on my hair at all, so I'll probably just give it to my sister or something. But yeah, all in all, I loved every single one of the products, except for I don't really like the eyebrow pencil. I hate that it just kind of rolls back in so easily, and I found myself just doing this every like 2 seconds, and it would go back in, and then I just go like this again, and I don't want to take it out too much because it's gonna break. But anyway, that is all for January's Boxycharm. I'm pretty sure you've seen like a few reviews already, but I've been pushing it off because my anxiety has been so bad lately, and I'm trying to overcome it right now. I know it doesn't look like it, but I'm actually very anxious right now, and it sucks, but I'm pushing, and I want to push through this so I can live a normal life again. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, may subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment if you'd like. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.